Hi Year 1, how are you? I hope you're all well. Welcome to your Wednesday maths lesson. And today's learning objective is to add by counting on. So we're continuing with what we started yesterday, but the difference is that today we're mainly going to be using a number line. So our steps to success: I can count to 20, I can recognise numbers to 20, I can count on from a given number, I can make jumps on a number line, I can use a number line to add, and I can problem solve. So our starter, let's have a look at these questions. Remember to pause after each question to write down your answer, and then we'll go over the 4 answers at the end. So question 1, what comes next? Look at these numbers. What goes here? Then question 2, 110 and 7 ones equals, what goes here? What does 110 and 7 ones equal? Then question number 3, can you count from this number to this number? Do it out loud and then you can write down the numbers as well. And then question 4, how many straws? Look at the picture, how many straws? Okay, let's go through the answers. So question number 1, what comes next? 11, 12, 13, 14. Question number 2, 110 and 7 ones equals 110 and 7 ones equals 17. Number 3, can you count from 15 to 20? So hopefully you started with 15. And what comes next? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and number 4, how many straws? So I can see there's my bundle of 10. So 1 10 and 2 ones. 12 straws. And remember, we can count them to check. So we know this is 10. Count on from 10, 11, 12. Okay. What's Stevie saying today? Stevie says, I have made 4 jumps on the number line. Is that true or false? Number line, she made 4 jumps. Okay, it is false. She has not made 4 jumps, although she has counted 4 numbers. The jumps, 1, 2, 3. She has only made 3 jumps on the number line. Better luck next time, Stevie. So here's our vocabulary. It's the same vocabulary as yesterday. Let's go through it again together. So add or plus means put together amounts to calculate the total. Then equals means equal to or the same as. Total means the whole number or amount. And count on means start from one number and count up. Okay, so my turn first. Count on to find the total. So we're starting with the number 10 and we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So what do I need to do? I need to start with 10, keep 10 in my head, and then we can count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. So the total is 14. 10 add 4 equals 14. Okay, let's do this one together. So what's this number? 8. Add, what does this dice show? 5. So we're working out 8 add 5. So what do we need to do first? We need to put the number 8 in our heads, and then we need to count on. What's the next number after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. answer 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay. Oh, here is our number line. So this time we're counting on a number line, and there's a longer question here. So let's have a read and see what we need to draw out from the question to work out what it's asking us. So, there were 9 sweets in a tub. So how many sweets were there first? There were 9 sweets in a tub. Okay, here are those 9 sweets. So on a number line, where do we need to start? That's right, we need to start with the number 9. So I'm going to circle the number 9 here. Okay, and then here for my number sentence, I'm going to start with the number 9. Okay, so 9 sweets in a tub. Then 5 more were put in. Okay. So if I want to add some more, what do I need to do? I need to make some jumps on the number line. Okay. Am I going to be, if I'm adding more, am I going to be making jumps forward so the numbers get bigger? Or am I going to make jumps backwards so the numbers get smaller if I'm adding more? That's right, I'm going to be making jumps forwards on the number line. The numbers need to get bigger. So how many jumps do I need to make on the number line? First there are 9 sweets in the tub, then 5 more were added. How many jumps do I need to make from 9? I need to make 5 jumps. Okay, practice with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I started with the 9 sweets and added 5. And what number have I landed on? I've landed on 14. So 9 add 5 must equal 14. Now let's do the next one together. Okay, so a similar word problem this time. We need to count on the number line to find the answer. So this time it says, Mrs. Madison had, what number is this? 12 eggs. So where do we start on the number line? We start at the number 12. That's how many eggs she had first. Okay, and I can put that up here as well in my number sentence. First there were 12 eggs. Mrs. Madison had 12 eggs. Oh, what happens next? Miss Costello gave her 6 more. So I am adding 6. Okay, so Mrs. Madison had 12 eggs, and then I gave her 6 more. So we started with 12. How many jumps do we need to make on the number line? We need to make 6 jumps. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what number have we landed on? We landed on number 18. So 12 add 6 equals 18. Okay, your turn now. So see how to do this at home. You could either go back to one of the previous slides with a number line on it and follow it with your finger, make your jumps on the number line with your finger, or you could make your very own number line at home. Make sure it goes up to 20 though, because we are working with numbers within 20. Okay, so here are your questions to answer after you've made your number line. Remember to make the right amount of jumps. Don't get carried away by jumping too far. So 4 questions for you to complete. And then when you have completed those questions, there is a challenge. Okay? And your challenge says, Ron and Mo are working out 3 add 11 on a number line. This is Ron's method and this is Mo's method. What is the same about their methods and what is different? Okay. Thank you, everybody. And remember to send your work into year1@thepalmeracademy.com.